with us to celebrate this pivotal moment in our journey.
4 months ago, I was diagnosed of encephalopathy that are responsible to fight back and to protect us from all types of an attack.
Fight the cancer cells. You can take good cells to fight.
Ano siya? Puro, di ba? So, yung...
And next, Miss Adeline Gwen Confe.
We gon' celebrate your good time.
Angela Sergey Boban.
It's up to you. Come on!
Rodano.
Seabird.
We're gonna have a good break. There's a party, you come on.
Mr. Castor D.
Let's all celebrate and have a good
Award win. Wala bang mas malakas po siya?
Wala bang malakas?
Dito, pangarap. Sa totoo lang yung kapital na 90,000 na mag-start ka sa traditional business.
That we want to achieve in Rome is one thing. We want to have more people. This is the thing that's always our founder.
Company actually I own my MLM company as well in Malaysia. But I quit my own company, I closed my company down and joined this company.
So, within 5 years, we have more than 420,000 consumers around the globe.
Match ating winners ng umbrella. Palakpakan naman natin. So, sino pang hindi nabubunot?
As a celebrate Revolve 5 years, I'm proud to say that we have reached over 201 countries around the world.
Congratulations, Abby Bato. Ma'am Abby, Miss Abby Bato. Ito po, Mr. Paul Turingan. Yan. And next, yan. Sino may gusto ng tablet? Number 110. Mr. Rogelio Hernandez. Ayun, picture po tayo sa taas.
Ano number? 1110.
Ayan na yung motorcycle. Paandarin na natin to. Lagay na natin sa gitna.
Ayun.
And the lucky winner goes to 75 299 6638. No other than Shama Feliz Gimangan. Sir.
Ako makapaniwala. Hawak ko na oh. Grabe. Grabe ang struggle namin para makapunta dito. Eto pala siya. Praise.
Very grateful. Okay, and so excited kasi una-una ko pinapasalamatan po si Lord. Siya po yung moment will see me through. Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
One vision, one mission, one system, one Revolve